In this video, we're going to be talking about 6 free, fun, and easy to use softwares that you can implement into your marketing plan. Right now, it's not just enjoy the process more, but to also get more results from your marketing if you're just getting started. These are things I use every single day in my workflow as a fractional design and marketing consultant, and that I actually enjoy using and recommend to clients. For those of you who don't know, my name is Andy. I am a fractional design and marketing consultant located in Columbus, Ohio, and I collaborate with small and medium-sized businesses in order to get more results from their design and marketing efforts, primarily on the website side of things. So these 6 tools we're going to be talking about today is just a quick excerpt from a presentation I gave a few weeks ago at my networking group called the Part-Time Marketer Crash Course. If you guys are interested in watching the full thing, let me know and I'll be happy to make a video of the full presentation. The Part-Time Marketer's Toolkit, Tools of the Trade. What are they? So tool number 1 is a detailed SEO Chrome extension. It's a plugin that tells you exactly how a website and page structure is built, along with all of the key essentials for learning about websites, such as the page title, meta description, URL, canonicals, page structure, links, images, schema, all these technical things that are involved, and you can see how the websites of yours and your competitors are built so that you can begin to see what keywords they're ranking for and outrank them. This is a Chrome extension. It's free, and you can install it in just a few clicks, and it's honestly very fun to see just what some of the other websites in your industry are doing. Personally, this is an overview of my website. As you can see, my page titles are optimized for local SEO, and it's designed very well. And this is important because designing your web page in the right way, as you guys know, there are Google AI search overviews have become very prominent. So that is a lot of the information that this is pulling from. So you want to make sure you're including the right information about your site in the page title, meta descriptions, and in the SEO settings to really make sure the AI overviews are pulling from the correct sources. Super fun to use and highly recommend. The second tool is called Shots.so. This is one of the best free tools I always recommend and use literally every single day to send screenshots like wireframes, mockups, etc. to clients. You can customize the background. It's open source, free to use, and it's honestly just so much fun, the things you can create that are more on brand, and they look far more professional than anything that you could probably make yourself. Or if you're like me in Photoshop, this would take a lot longer to make the drop shadows, the colors, the background, everything like that. Shots.so is a really free, cool way to create cool mockups for any device or screenshot. They're always updating the devices that are added, so new iPhones, new Macs, new Androids, all available, and it's very customizable and fun to use. Cannot recommend Shots.so enough. The next one is Loom. Highly recommend Loom as a screen recorder. If you guys don't know what this is an open source, free screen recorder that you can install as a Chrome extension to begin to record videos that record your screen and also your audio as well. And it hosts a separate video link on Loom's platform. You can just click the link after you record. It'll redirect you to a hosted video, which you can click and share via email or anything else. And it's very low friction and easy to use. And on the free plan, you can record up to 100 screen shares. So I do highly recommend if you have multiple email addresses, you can really milk the free plan for all it's worth. Plus, if you invite teammates or anyone else to your workspace, you can really start to add 25 videos or so per account. So per seat that you invite. So the more people you invite, the more love gets spread. So that's Loom, highly recommend. The next tool is Metricool. So this is a social media marketing tool that personally I use and I always recommend to clients. And all social media scheduling tools I've found in the past have been very caveated. There's always one thing that's not quite perfect, and that's why this one is the best tool, see what I did there, that I recommend and truly use every day. So you are limited in the free plan, but you can really stretch it as far as you would like. So you get up to 4 platforms, I believe. You can't use LinkedIn on the free plan, but you're also limited to 50 posts a month, but you can post consistently on 4 platforms 3 times a week, which is very standard and very generous for a free plan. And the best part of Metricool is how it lets you repurpose content. So you can set it up once and reformat it for each platform just through one post. So you set up a template for each piece of content, and then it's really robust in its repurposing features for each post, so you're not having to make it 6 different times or duplicate different posts, which is what I found to be the case for others like Buffer and a lot of the other Hootsuite, all the other free ones that are out there. So highly recommend Metricool. You don't have any excuses to be consistent on social now. And the last one, not a AI presentation, but I couldn't leave a toolkit out without including ChatGPT, or if that's more your speed. But ChatGPT allows you to templatize tasks, save time, and make room for more enjoyable tasks. And also just use it and have fun. The biggest part of introducing AI into your workflow more is to reduce the friction into getting it involved. So personally, I've taken the steps to install the low friction tools like shortcuts, and it's also the feature button on my iPhone, and it's also a command away every time I'm browsing online. So really remind yourself it's there, ask it to do certain things, learn more about its capabilities, and just start to have fun and get more done. So there you have it. That's the Part-Time Marketer's Essential Toolkit. 6 quick win tools you can implement into your marketing game right away, even if you don't love marketing, to begin to have more fun, get more done, and make marketing more enjoyable. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. I upload at least weekly. I help marketing leaders, business owners crush it in their marketing and get more done. Thanks. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.